Once upon a giggly time in the cheerful town of Bumblebrook, there was a super-duper, top-secret science lab run by kids. That's right, kids! And the most curious, creative inventors were three best friends. Girl Cynthia loved glitter, gumdrops, and googly eyes. Girl Claudine, careful, clever, and loved to follow every instruction. Boy Darrell, full of energy, big ideas, and not so great at listening. One sunny afternoon, their teacher, Professor Whizzlepop, bounced into the lab with wild hair and a sparkly lab coat. Today, he announced, we'll create something truly magical, the one and only Giggly Goop. The kids gasped. But, said Professor Whizzlepop, holding up a glittery finger, you must follow my instructions very carefully. Giggly Goop is fun, but only if you mix it exactly right. He handed out recipe cards and reminded them, 1 scoop at a time. Stir slowly. No silly switches. Time to mix. Cynthia, Claudine, and Darrell put on their goggles and gloves. The Giggly Goop recipe said. 1 scoop of jelly sprinkles 2 drops of giggle juice 3 1 slow swirl, clockwise 4 Wait 1 minute before adding the fizz dust. Claudine read the steps out loud. We have to be careful. Cynthia nodded, carefully measuring the giggle juice. But Darrell? He zoomed ahead, dumped in 3 scoops, spun the bowl around twice, added a splash of soda pop, and shouted, let's speed this up. Darrell, wait, cried Claudine. You're skipping steps, said Cynthia. But it was too late. Darrell's bowl began to shake. Then bubble. Then boom. Bright pink goop flew in every direction, splattering the ceiling, the floor, and poor Professor Whizzlepop's mustache. Splat! Explosion symbol, sparkling heart, splash symbol. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.